Hey there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to set up public profile on Snapchat. So for this, let's open our Snapchat app. Now, on the top left corner, you will find your profile. Click on it. And there we have this My Public Profile option. Click on it. Now here we have three options, that is Stories. Then we have the Spotlight option. You can add your best snap as Spotlight here. Then we have Insight of the last 28 days summary. Okay, so now let's talk about the features of public profile. First, you can add image as banner here. Then on the top, you will find this bell icon. There you will find all the activities like likes, comments, and the videos that people share. Next, we have this pencil icon on the top from where you can edit your profile. You can add profile photo here. If we go back, then you can add bio and you can add also your city or country and you can enable this show followers count too. Okay, let's go back and see the other features. So next we have this image icon on the top. Click on it and from here you can add image to your profile. It will be set as the banner of your profile. As you can see, now click on apply and you are all good. Then we have the share icon. You can share your public profile on different social media platforms. And after that we have this setting icon. From here you can preview your profile as other person like this. Then go back and we have the edit profile option. Then we have a save story to your profile. So from there you will get different options of settings like notifications, and also if you want to clear your public profile you can do it too. So this is how you can set your public profile on Snapchat. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.